So while North India's prominent hill stations are witnessing a rush and also with regard to breaking protocols, there are also tourist destinations in Meghalaya that are wearing a deserted look with COVID restrictions still in place. Here's a ground report now from Cherrapunji. Here the hotel and resort owners and others dependent on tourists for their livelihood are facing a financial crunch because of restrictions still in place. Take a look at this ground report.
Serpentine queues of cars in Shimla. Or the unfazed crowds in Mussoorie. Himachal and Uttarakhand have seen a massive footfall of tourists since COVID curbs eased across the country. But Meghalaya in the northeast is still under restrictions. Meghalaya had banned the entry of tourists from April 23. Cherrapunji, the wettest place on earth, is running dry when it comes to tourist influx. Local hotel owner Stevenson is worried as Cherrapunji's most favorite tourist destination, Sohar, lies deserted.
We have closed all these tourists stay here. And all these place here we have closed right from that time, no? So completely shut lockdown from 2020 till now.
Meghalaya's biggest tourist attraction are its capital Shillong, known as the Scotland of East, Cherrapunji and Dalkey among others. It is also home to the cleanest village in Asia, Molinong. But visiting these places now is still not a possibility with these current curbs in place. Local hotel worker Arun Burman is facing a major financial crisis with no revenue from the homestays.
अगर सब टूरिस्ट नहीं खुलेगा तो यहाँ का लोग कुछ काम दाम भी नहीं ऐसा ही रहना पड़ेगा.
Sumarlin owns a small tea shop that fed her 6 children. But the pandemic has left her virtually bankrupt with no money and no work.
टूरिस्ट आया तो कमाई ठीक है, कोरोना आया तो बंद.
In normal times, this would be peak time for tourists to visit the hills in Meghalaya. But the second wave has marred it all.
पहले यहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ भाड़ होता था. यहाँ तक कि जो रिजॉर्ट्स वगैरह है, गेस्ट हाउस वगैरह है, वो पूरा पहले से एडवांस में बुक रहते थे. लेकिन अभी क्या करें, जो गेस्ट हाउस वगैरह हो गया, रिजॉर्ट सब लोग अभी लॉस में चल रहे हैं उसकी वजह से.
टूरिस्ट की वजह से उन लोग का घर पलता है. तो अभी टूरिस्ट नहीं तो घर बच्चा लोग को पालने के लिए मुश्किल है लोग का.
The pandemic has hit the tourism sector of the region hard and resulted in massive loss of revenue. The state, which once saw a huge inflow of both international and domestic tourists, now has no one to host. Bureau Report, India Today.
I'm heading into a very short break for now. Coming up next, we bring you some sports news. It's Brazil versus Argentina. It's the clash of